Hey guys, and welcome back. So we have a premium incense holder. This one holds the incense sticks up to 12 inches. This has got a nice marble finish, so it'll catch up all the ashes from the incense. Alright, so right here we have this premium marble elegant fireproof incense holder. This will hold up for your incense sticks up to 12 inches. It does have a 90-degree angle and the marble base is 5 inches. So right here we're going to unpack it. It is nicely packaged. Right here we have the marble base. It is premium marble, beautifully created by nature. It comes with an iron ball that is built-in magnet, holds the incense sticks steady for 90-degree angle distribution. This is what it looks like on the side. It is nice and premium. So right here is your skid-proof little feet. So now we'll go to the magnet ball. The magnet ball just sits right in that little spot. When you just set it right in there, it has a hole on each side, so it doesn't matter which way you put your incense sticks in there. It holds up to 2.5 inch all the way up to 12 inches. So we'll just go ahead and put it on the base. And it just magnetizes it so it doesn't fall out. It looks really nice. See, as it just clips right in there. It does hold them up to 90-degree angle, which catch the ashes on the base. It holds up to 12-inch incense sticks. It's a built-in magnet hold incense sticks ready. It has a 5-inch marble base that is fireproof, so this will not catch on fire. It does move. You could put it anyway, toward the top, the side. You can have it set down. So just for demonstration purposes, I don't have any incense candles, but I'll go ahead and use a match to show you how it sits right up in there. So here's just a regular match. We're just going to go and stick it in the hole. This is a great modern design, enrich your home decor. It's a premium marble, beautiful, created by nature. You can enjoy the pure burn of essence of your incense sticks. So you can turn it any way you see fit. This is up to 90 degrees. You can go backwards, sideways, frontwards. But I do recommend doing it frontwards so you can catch all the ashes and it will not burn the base pad. So you can see right here, it looks really nice. I'm pretty sure if you have your incense in there, it will look even nicer. And it's easy to clean and wipe off and ready for your next incense burn. So I'd say this is a really nice incense holder. The fact that the ball is magnetic is really nice. You don't have to worry about it falling off or rolling away. I would definitely say if you're looking for an incense holder, I would say check this one out. This is a really nice one to have.